Hi, hello. Myself Prafulla Kumar. I am lecturer in chemistry. Today I am discussing the topic is pesticide chemistry. Here the main topic is synthesis and manufacture and use of DDT. So today we are discussing what is DDT. So DDT mainly it is a class of organochlorine compound. It refers to a wide range of chemicals that contain carbon and chlorine. So DDT structures have more carbon numbers and more chlorine numbers attached to this. That's why we call it as it is a organochlorine compound. A range of organochlorine compounds have been produced including many herbicides, insecticides, fungicides. The DDT, Gamaxin are the example of class of the organochlorine compounds. So mainly, so this is the DDT about the basic theme of the DDT. So structure of DDT, whenever going to a detailed structure of DDT, it is dichloro diphenyl trichloroethane. Here the IUPAC name is 1 chloro, 4 2, 2 trichloro 1, 4 chlorophenyl ethyl benzene. So this is the IUPAC name. The molecular formula of DDT is C14H9Cl. It is highly hydrophobic. That means does not dissolve in water, but it is soluble in most of the organic solvents like oils, fats. These are the water hydrophilic substances. But here hydrophobic means water hating solvents are using to not soluble in water. So this is the structure of DDT. Here the two phenyl ring are present, and I am showing this. Here it is a phenyl ring and chlorine atom. Here it is a chlorine atom, and here one carbon. Here it is two carbon. Here is a ethane, and 1, 2, 3. So ethane trichloro 1, 2, 3 trichloro ethane. There is a two carbon atoms attached to the this 1, 2, 3 chlorine bonds, and there is a phenyl ring. These are the another phenyl ring. These are the another phenyl ring. These are the chlorobenzene. Two chlorobenzene attached to the same carbon atom. So it is namely the structure of DDT. Here the DDT says, here the structure of DDT, this is a highly class of the compound. It is used in the many diseases and also agriculture field, and developing the constructing houses and in common nearby houses. These are the DDTs used for the nearest agriculture field and cultivation field, etc. So how they are synthesis is very one of the important, how they are synthesized the DDT. First we are taken chlorobenzene. So here it is only single chlorine atom is there, and this is we call it as monochlorobenzene and trichloroacetaldehyde in the presence of an aldehyde group. I am showing this here. This is an trichloro Cl. Here it is a Cl, here it is a Cl, and this is an aldehyde group. This is an aldehyde group. There is a carbon atom and chlorine atom, trichloroacetaldehyde. This is called acetyl group. Then first of all, the sulfuric acid react with trichloroacetaldehyde to get DDT structure. How they are forming? Here is a trichlorocarbon attached to this position, an aldehyde group. So here with the elimination, here is a 2 moles. We are considering here 2 moles of chlorobenzene whenever consumed, and with the treat with trichloroacetaldehyde. Then this is one of the important structure, and here it is chlorine, the naming is fourth position, here it is a first position, so it's a trichlorocarbon. So we are using these structures, and finally we get a synthesis. How they synthesis for the acid condensed reaction with the elimination of water. So this is about the synthesis of DDT and how they are preparation. So what type of preparation in this DDT? By using preparation of DDT, dichloro diphenyl trichloroethane, it is a common name we calling a DDT. Two three-necked round bottom flask fitted with mechanical stirrer and thermometer. So I am showing the three-necked round bottom flask. Here I am showing this. This is a 500 ml of three-necked. There is a three-necked round bottomed flask. Here it is the synthesis of DDT. We can use this, and round bottom flask has fitted with a mechanical stirrer and thermometer. So temperature is very important for the preparation of DDT, and simply we consider has a 350 gram of 95% sulfuric acid used in this reaction, and 50 gram of oleum. Oleum is an H2S2O7. These are the oleum salt or oleum solution. It is a indirectly it is sulfuric acid, sulfuric 20% of sulfuric trioxide, and 45 gram of monochlorobenzene or chlorobenzene, and 34 gram of chloral hydrated were added. The mixture is stirred completely. Whenever using the round bottom flask, mixture can be stirred rapidly, and at the end of the half an hour, till that half an hour can stir by magnetically, or whenever connected to a thermometer is temperature is very important. The slow temperature is reaction is very good, and so rapid temperature sometimes it's disturb the synthesis of DDT. Then rapid at the end of an hour, the DDT separates as a fine granular solid. So finally it near to half hour separates a solid. During this reaction, the temperature rises to 45 degree. Whenever the solid separation takes place during this reaction, it reaches to 45 degrees Celsius for the completion of the reaction. Whenever the granular solid is separated as a DDT till the 45 degrees Celsius at temperature, till that the completion of the reaction. This reaction mixture is poured with stirring into 2 liters of 1:1 ratio of 1 liter of ice and another 1 liter of water. Then the solid product which separates, and finally wash with cold water. So this is about for the preparation of DDT. And then finally, to remove an excess inorganic acid, the crude DDT is transferred into a 500 ml beaker of boiling water. So boiling water, so taken another beaker with a boiling water, transferred into a 500 ml beaker. The mixture is stirred well and allowed to cool, where upon washed the reaction product solidifies. The process is repeated few times, and finally ordered to completely remove the last traces of acids. Sodium bicarbonate is added to last wash water. The crystals of DDT is filtered and dried, yielding 50 gram of crude DDT, which corresponding to 70% of yield will be coming under theoretical, and with melting point is 90 degrees Celsius is the DDT melting point is 90 degree, or 70% of theoretical yield should be coming this process by the three-necked round bottom flask are used thoroughly, and the pure product separates as fine colorless needless that have been slightly odor with the fresh apples. So these are the fine granular salt should be taken in the crystallization process. We are using alcohol for the crystallization purposes. So next What are the uses of DDT? DDT was used extensively during World War II to control the malaria and typhus among civilian standproof. DDT was controlled the disease in many parts of Europe and South Pacific. It was sprayed aerially for malaria and dengue fever control with spectacular effects. So some other days the DDT has used in the sprayed manner in the hair. The DDT is a tasteless, colorless, crystalline, and almost odorless solid. The organochloride substance, which is famous for its insecticidal properties, so because of it is a disinfectant from the another insecticidal properties. Chlorine act as a disinfectant. So this is about the generally it is agriculture and farming to kill this insect and protect the crops. Insects residing on the plants are exposed with it. It affects the insect's neurons which lead to eventually death. So nervous system should be caused by this DDT and also put very adverse effect on human life cycle through the edible plants, and it leads to lot of disease like diabetes, liver cancer, breast cancer, and uncontrolled cell mutation, which later leads to tumor and cancerous synthesis or cancerous formation synthesis in this using the DDT. So thank you for watching. This is the reference.